What's going on, people? How we doing? Good morning. It's Wednesday, November 29th. Welcome to another episode with Moo Trades. We actually just took a couple trades right as I was setting up the stream. So that's why we're a couple minutes late, but took this as well as this higher low right here. So two higher lows. I mean, we were having a ton of support at these levels. It's really second entry long, this first trade. Another higher low, confirming we're going up. And yeah, we're going higher. I mean, this overnight session is just showing us we're moving up. We ain't playing around right now. We are not playing around. So got two quick scalps out of this. Maybe could have got a lot more, honestly. And yeah, we're going higher. Probably even have a wider term uptrend like this. And man, we'll see what's in store for today. Definite target 4,600. That's on the radar. So we'll see where this market ends up going, but yeah, we're having some momentum right now. We're having some strong movement. How we all doing? How you doing, Bill? Good morning. F Zen, welcome in. Man, but we are moving fast. Opening bell move. Man, I really wish I was going for more than 1 point scalps. I mean, look at this. Unreal. But it looks like today is going to be a very, very good day, especially compared to what we've been having lately. High volume. We're getting some volatility, which we like. We definitely like to see. So let's see how far we end up going. I mean, oh my goodness. Look at this push. This does not look like it is slowing down anytime soon. So yeah, if you had a runner and you took either one of these trades, whew, you'd be sitting pretty right now. Once we took out this swing high, 45.90, man, we're off to the races. If we look at the daily chart, we're right here. I mean, we might just take out these highs up here. I mean, first target definitely just 45.95. So we take a look from this high right here, September 1st and August 10th and really August 4th. I mean, the highest high right here, August 4th, is about 46.10. The next swing high, 45.96. So those are some key levels. Definitely 4,600 psychological level. And then, I mean, the overall high really of the past year is right here, July 27th, about 45.80. Just call it 45.85. And look at this. We're not stopping. We're not stopping anytime soon. So let's see if we can get a pullback. Get another long setup. How we all doing? How you doing, Kevin? Good morning. Good morning, man. But that's why, especially on days like we've been having, slow volatility days, it's best to just be patient, wait on your hands, and wait for the good days like today. I mean, look at this Look at this unreal movement we're already having. I took 2 trades. Boom, boom, boom. Straight off the bat. So we got in 2 entries right here. Entered with this signal bar. And then higher low right back to back. I really wish I just went for more than 1 point. I mean, it's easy to say after the fact, but they were moving so quickly. I almost moved the first trade up to be a sort of runner when the next higher low printed, but didn't do that. But got 2 points out of it, so we'll take that. We'll take that any day. We take those. We definitely take those. Don't we, Kevin? Don't we, Mr. Kevin? All right, let's see if we can get another pullback to the EMA. Second entry long. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to see right now. Let's get it. So counting from the high, we got 1 leg down. First entry long. Let's see if we can get another leg down. Sure as hell, baby. So hopefully we get another leg down. Let's go, Kevin. Let's get that leg down. Let's get that leg down. Let's do it. Let's do it right now. All right. Might be getting a setup right now. Oh, shoot. Let's get ready. Let's get ready. All in with 10 contracts. Man, I wish I took 10 contracts back here. Those were some solid trades. I mean, first one was basically right at market open. I got the setup I was looking for. I mean, we had bounced here so many times, so much support. When we had a nice bullish signal bar, really like a 4th, 5th test of this level, I was going long all day. Then we got a higher low with the room to the highs. I mean, not much room, but after such a strong uptrend, just take any long setup you can get. Let's see what we get here. Let's see what we get here. Second entry long incoming. How is this looking? How is this looking right now? We're not quite touching the EMA, but we're getting there. We're getting there. Just a bit of a neutral signal bar, unfortunately. And the bar's a little stacked. We might have one more push down. But let's see. Look, we bounce at 4593.75. 4593.75. So that's a key level that we were looking at from those highs from a few months ago. So definitely I'm looking to break above that level. Another doji bar. I need a nice bullish bar. I need a nice bullish bar off that EMA, baby. Trying to see if I got a background that's the correct one, because the 90% off sale is over. It's 50% off, I believe, now. So don't get confused. I'm gonna have to fix it later. I'm gonna have to fix it after the stream. I don't got my correct image set up, unfortunately, but ignore the 90% off. It's 50% off. All right, we're getting a little stacked. We do have a speaker in about 17 minutes. Mr. Bailey. That's 7:05. 7:05 Pacific, 10:05 Eastern. But similar situation to what we're having here. We're having these pushes up, and it's normal to see a little bit of sideways movement. I'm definitely still leaning long. So we officially broke below the low of this little leg down. Here's that sideways. Here's that other leg down. Really just a congestion area. Let's see if we can get a nice failed breakout here. Might be that setup right here. Might be a little failed breakout right here. Let's see how this bar closes. All right, we're in this trade. See if we can get a quick little scalp. Got in with the limit order, 2 ticks back from where we normally do. So going for 1.5 points. Let's see if we can get it. Let's get it. But I'm taking it. Failed breakout. 1 leg down. Break. 2 legs down. Out of this congestion area. Pushing back up. Let's see. We need a few more ticks. Shall we go up? Let's go up, baby. Let's do it. Let's have that push up to new highs. All right, we're trying. One more tick. There we go, baby. All right, so we actually got, Yeah, I know some accounts didn't close. I had my replicanto in another screen. I just flattened them all, but we got a little bit more out of some of the accounts. It's because we made the 1.5 points. Some of the accounts didn't get filled, and then when we push higher again, then I just clicked flatten all. But man, maybe I shouldn't have. Maybe I shouldn't have. Maybe I should have kept them in. Maybe I should have kept them in. I could have had half of them as some runners. So yeah, got a little bit more out of some of the accounts. But that's why, once again, we wait for these nice days with great volume, and we just stick to our rules, our basic rules. Once again, we're in the uptrend. We're only looking for longs. Right when I saw we had the uptrend overnight, I'm thinking, I sit at my computer, I'm like, all right, let's look for some long setups, baby. Had so many tests at the support area. Boom. First trade long, higher low. Boom. Another trade long. We're expecting new high. Same thing here. Congestion area. 2 legs down. 1 leg here. Sideways. Another leg. 2-legged pullback. It resembles a 2-legged pullback at a larger picture. And also, it's just a failed breakout. If we were just looking at this range, take those all day. Failed breakout in an uptrend. Don't overthink it. Don't make it too complicated when it doesn't need to be. Then you'll be solid. Let's go, Kevin. Let's go. Let's go. So we did break above these highs as we were expecting. So let's see. 4594.25. Let's look at the daily. So next high is 4597. Right around 4597. Right here. 4597, and then about 4610, but 4597 is that next level. But for now, we're chopping sideways. Might just be a little sideways until we get this speaker in about 15 minutes. So where did we get filled on the other accounts? That's what I want to know. All right, so here we're getting another second entry long if we start working higher, but it's really not a failed breakout. You're just testing this area once again. I mean, we already made the new high. You'd be going long right into the middle of this congestion as opposed to this. You're going long just really into the range. Here, you'd be going long into the middle of the range. So it might work out, but I'm not going to take it. I mean, nice bullish bar, testing this area. But at the same time, like I said, the most important factor to consider is that you just be going long into the middle of the range. All right, but it does work out. looks like it does work out for a scalp. So yeah, that's why sometimes even not the perfect trades will work out when you're having some good volatility, some good volume. Let's see what happens now. Let's see what happens now, baby. We might just make new highs again. One more tick and we'll take out a lot of stops. There we go. There we go. Who knows? This uptrend really might be something like that. Where we had in the overnight slightly different channel. Now we kind of flatten out into this a little more sustainable 45-degree angle. Let's look at the 10K tick chart. I don't know. Either uptrend looks valid to me, to be honest. Whether this is the right one, or we flatten out, or we're just in one big uptrend. We'll see. But if we do base it off just these swing highs, I think it looks good. I think it looks good just like that. So we got touch here, many touches on the bottom side. Oh my God, what is happening today? Look at these moves. Look at these moves. Definitely not a day to overthink anything. You don't want to overthink and miss out on some great trades. Take what the market gives you. We're going. We going. We going. Where is this going to end? Definitely not going to end anytime soon, it looks like, though. Go, go, go. Go, 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 Gonzalo. Go, 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 baby. All right, once I'm trying to fix this background, trying to fix it up. Looks a little too stacked at the top here. Let me make it right. It'll do for now. It'll do for now. All right, let's get a pullback. But yeah, 100%, Kevin. Days like this, you definitely want to take advantage of. They don't happen all the time. So these are the days, yeah, where it might be smart to have some runners in place. I'm definitely debating using some runners, but at the same time, I mean, I'm still in the red in these accounts a little bit. I'm still like, yeah, I'm still over $400 in the red in these accounts. So I don't have too much room to work with. Only got about 2K worth of a trailing threshold. Yeah, I'm trading 10 accounts, so I don't really need to add any more risk right now. Was the second entry long at 942 not valid because we were a little congested? This one right here? Or this one with this doji looking bar? That one? Is this what you're talking about? Second entry long? I mean, in my opinion, it's not valid because it's congested, but also because it's a doji bar. So yeah, I never want to take a second entry long and it's sideways bar like that. But also, yeah, the bars are going sideways, and then this signal bar, it's just telling you point blank, it's a doji. Dojis literally signify, okay, prices don't know if we're going up or down right now. So it just kind of is confluence to the fact that, yeah, prices are congested going sideways. But yeah, definitely you only want to take second entry longs with great signal bars as well. So signal bar is a very important thing. You can't just ignore the signal bar. That's just another point of emphasis that you have to pay attention to, and you don't just want to say, okay, everything meets certain criteria except the signal bar looks a little bearish, it looks a little doji like, but I'm just gonna take it. Nah, the signal bar is very, very important as well. So once again, one leg down. I'm looking for one more leg down. We're having a mini leg down right now, but ideally we get below the EMA. Actually, I want to see a push below the EMA and then a push above the EMA. So yeah, here's that attempt to go lower. Didn't quite break below this first leg down. Got matching lows here. So yeah, even though it's two legs down, and depending on what happens with this bar, it once again looks a little bit sideways. Okay, and here's that push I'm looking for. So really, 2 legs down. It's a breakout pullback. This resistance area, we're bouncing off now. So let's see. Let's see if we got to push up or if we just get back into this range. Yeah, and here we go. Here's that significant pullback. So basically, I think what prices are trying to do is just take out this area right here where a lot of traders went long, might have had their stops at break even, took out these stops. Let's see what we do now. Trying to see if this is at all possible where we might just be having something like this. So it's working off the lows, working off the highs here. So I'm constantly adjusting these channels to what might be valid, what looks valid. So I always say don't bend the trend, but sometimes you have to bend the trend, especially in a very, very strong uptrend. You just gotta sometimes. It's the name of the game. You were looking at the bar after the doji after printed second entry long was a bit congested. Yeah, it was definitely congested. So that's why I waited for this trade, because I really just played it as a failed breakout. I mean, we're definitely in a very strong uptrend, so I'm looking for long setups. And I was just playing the congestion. When we broke out of the congestion, boom, I wanted to take a long. Failed breakout. Nothing special. Nothing too pretty, but just the basic setups. All right, we got the speaker in about 1 minute. Well, I guess right now, really. So might have some volatility incoming. Might have some volatility. All right. Yep. Here's that move down. So who knows, man? I'm definitely not doubting anything now with this move down. So even though we had a very, very strong move up, doesn't mean that we don't have the possibility to just trade all the way back down here and just give up everything that we just had. Especially on volatile days. You don't know what's going to happen. We might end the day with a very strong downtrend. Anything could happen at this point. QQQ feeling bullish week ahead. GDP, positive data till Friday. Fed rate cut news. Okay. I mean, the news could lead to anything, honestly. But yeah, the OPEC meeting tomorrow. Got some more unemployment news early, 1 hour before market open tomorrow, and then Friday some more news, and then Friday Powell's also speaking. So yeah, a lot of news in the next few days. A lot of news that could affect the price action in a significant way. But sometimes when everyone thinks the market is going higher, we might just do the opposite. So another thing to keep in mind. Might be too good to be true with all this positive news. All right, we're pushing down. We're pushing down, Mr. Matt Jr. This is your first time in the live stream, Mr. Matt? Or have you been here before? Junior. Let's also see if it's possible that this is the wide uptrend. Maybe. I really prefer what we have here, though. So see if we come out, take out 45, 82, 75. This little swing low. About 30 minutes prior to market open. But at this point, I'm not even leaning long anymore. Like if we get rid of these drawings and just look at the naked chart, we definitely strong moves up, followed by congestion. Strong move up, followed by congestion. But now we're just moving down in a significant way. And yeah, we're basically bouncing exactly where I just said, 45, 82, 75. Got 3 bars stacked here. Let's see if we push below. Not quite, but I'm looking for price to go below there. Yeah, there we go. So we're going down. We're going down right now. Like, who knows? Let's see where this 50% level is. If we got a range, let's see if we work down to about 45.80. Right now, yeah, look at this strong move down. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. To be honest, I almost considered taking this short right here. If this wasn't a doji looking bar, that was a nice lower high. Off this trend channel we got. And now, on days like today when there's just straight up volatility in either direction, just be prepared. Be prepared to switch your thinking on a dime. Don't be married to an idea. Just be ready to see anything happen. Anything could happen. Yeah, slight overshoot. Or really just a break in the channel. But this is also being affected by the news right now. I don't know what Mr. Bailey is speaking about. But, I mean, it's leading to some volatility. It's leading to this move down. So once again, I like to just get rid of the drawing and kind of look at the naked price action. So this significant move down is definitely caused by the initial news. Now we're getting a little stacked, but still going down. Got 5 bars with the same matching low here. I think this is the solid downtrend. Break. Trying to make a new low. Getting a little congested. But let's see if we break below here. 45.80.5. And we said 45.80 is that midline of the overall day that I'm definitely looking us to either meet or just bounce at. Look at the daily. So on the daily, I don't know how sustainable this move up is. I feel like at some point we might just have a day where we come crashing down. So we'll see. We'll see. But for today, we sit, we be patient, and we wait for those great setups. So let's get another great setup, baby. Yeah, exactly where I thought we might bounce. We might have some congestion, 45.80. So once again, even though we've had a significant uptrend, by the end of the day, who knows? It's possible. It's possible we're just in a range. We've been having many range days in prior days, so who knows? Potential long setup here. A little congestion. I was trying to get my order in. I wanted to actually take this long. Try to get my order in, but prices were at the wrong spot when I decided. All right, let's see if we can get filled here. All right, we're filled. Slightly aggressive trade, but really I'm just playing it as another failed breakout here. We had this congestion, broke out the bottom side, nice bullish bar. See if we can get a push up back to the EMA. And we ticked off our order. To the tick. We're still in it. We're still in it. Let's see if we can get a push up. Let's get a push up to the EMA. We're trying. We're trying. So we technically made a higher low right here. Prices are stacked, but I'm looking for prices to take out 81.75 here. We need a few more ticks. Few more ticks. Don't have a ton of room, but I want to see this. I want to see this move up. Come on now. I think we'll get it. Didn't quite get it. Didn't quite get it. Might be making another higher low here. Price is definitely getting pretty stacked. Let's see. We bounced off the EMA. I wanted to see us tick through that EMA. Come on now. Might be time for another higher low. Man, we got sucked into the congestion. What are prices gonna do? What are prices gonna do here? Might take us out. Took us out, unfortunately. Yeah, ticked off the order. It happens. I was a little aggressive with the trade, but can't win them all. It happens. It happens, unfortunately. Man, we had to do that. Yeah, we twice bounced at the level we needed to get filled at 81.75. I really was confident that we were going to at least push up to the EMA. I just saw it as a little failed breakout here. I debated getting out at break even. Probably should have. And now we're headed lower. Possible we got an even wider downtrend. So at this point, yeah, we might just be working all the way back down to the overnight lows. We'll see. That's why it's tough taking a counter trend trade. Even though in the moment it looked enticing, this is really the failed breakout we should have been looking for right here. Yeah, so that's the failed breakout we really should have taken. Yeah, this out of this congestion area is what I should have waited for. So once again, yeah, I jumped the gun, but I mean, when I took the trade, I was really just playing it. Congestion area, failed breakout lower. If we had gone in with the limit order, we would have been ticked through. Fortunately, it didn't work out. Yeah, it was too tight of a range, too small. Let's see what we get now. What are we gonna do now? So we got rejected at the EMA, got rejected at this previous support level. So we might just be heading lower. You're looking for a pullback to 40. Oh, to 45.70-ish. Okay. Let's see if we get that. Let's see if we get that. Looks like it. Looks like we're trying. We're definitely trying. So look at the 10K tick chart. 10K, yeah, looks like we had this move down. We're just slightly working lower. Yeah, that's why. Took the counter trend trade a little early, jumped the gun. You don't want to do those. You don't want to do those. Because at this point, the downtrend was the correct trend. I wish we got filled, but we didn't. So it might be another sort of spike channel down. Let's see if we extend this. That might be what we're having right now. So I'm still short. I'm still biased to the downside. I want to see a push to the EMA. And then let's trap some longs. So let's see. We're at the EMA. Let's see how we react right here. So we got this downtrend. I'm confident in this downtrend. We're testing the EMA. But it's technically an inside signal bar. But it's really one attempt to go higher, two attempts to go higher. It's our third attempt to go lower, I should say. It's really a form of a double trap. So if I'm going to go short, I'd like to see prices take out 45.78, take out this high right here, and then work lower. Because we got this little leg up. We have the break. I want to see us take out 45.78. Kind of entice some longs to start buying. And then work lower. Yeah, so let's see. We're bouncing off there. I want to see one more tick up and then a reversal down. Unless we just reverse down right here and I might take it. Alright, so there's that tick through. Don't think you're reversing. We're reversing. Yeah, I'm still leaning bearish. I'm still leaning towards this going down. See if we get a bearish candle right here. No bearish candle, unfortunately, but we might just be forming that trap down right now. Mr. Johnny, Mr. Johnny. Why, what? What are you referring to, Johnny? Why do you think there's more downside? I mean, we got room to the overnight lows. We got room to the close of yesterday. I mean, we opened all the way up here. So, I mean, I see we're trending down right now, so that's a target for me. If we get a lower high right here, I'm going to go short. Yeah, that's correct, Tim. Yeah, 2,000 tick chart, 21-day EMA. We came into yesterday's highs and swept most of the AM lows. All right. I know. Maybe we do reverse and go higher here. But at the moment, I'm leaning towards us going down. But let's see if this EMA holds. Let's see if we work back up. Maybe we do. Maybe we do work back up. So we're making higher lows. We're making higher highs. And now at this point, I might start thinking, okay, might just be getting a nice little channel like this. So, I mean, we had this strong move down, had the congestion, had 2 legs to a new low. Let's see if these are measured legs. Basically, 2 measured legs down. And yeah, Johnny, we're going higher. And Q's leading the push up. Well, let's see if ES follows. Yeah, I mean, if we look at this as a naked chart without all the drawings, definitely looks like the downtrend lost some steam. Doesn't mean that we're done going lower. Doesn't mean that this wider term channel we got is invalid, but it's a possibility. It's a possibility we gotta at least consider that. We could just be working higher, but at the same time, we might just come back and test out 45.74 once again. So we'll see. Gotta play both these channels right now. But definitely, this does look like a nice concise move up. So if we were to work back lower, I'd like to see us take out 45.80. So now we got a break of this uptrend. I'd like to see us test 45.80 again and then work lower. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see if it's a fake out or not. Mr. Mr. Kevin says he needs a coffee break. Yeah, I mean, now we definitely got some conflicting beliefs. In for a short. Let's see what happens. I'm sitting on my hands right now. $46.75. $46.75. Are you trading NQ? All right, we're having that push up. Ideally, I'd like to see prices get up to 45.80. Let's see prices go up to 45.80, then work lower. Oh, 76.75. Might have not been the best trade. Hey, sometimes you gotta take those wins. But definitely, when you win a trade, when it's probably not the best trade you should have taken, you gotta just count your blessings and then use it as a learning experience. Just treat it as a losing trade. I'd say that. Treat it as a losing trade. All right, where are we headed? Are we headed to 45.80? Let's see how we react here. If we go above the EMA, I'm looking for prices to get to 45.80. Looks like the volume is slowing down a little bit. Close below the EMA. I don't like that as a long. Might be a trap. Might be a trap to the downside. Let's see what we do here. All right, we're in the short. Ticked off our order again. Why do we keep doing that? We need to tick through that order. Come on now. Prices are getting a little stacked again. Are we really gonna have two trades that ticked off our limit order? Let's go lower. Come on now. Let's tick through. Let's tick through. All right, one more tick. All right, we're out. We are out. So one of our accounts actually didn't even get filled there. One of our accounts didn't get filled, unfortunately. So we actually got a slight losing trade on one of the accounts, because it got filled as we ticked through. And I just clicked flatten immediately. You could always turn on target chase. Yeah, this is Replicanto. What's target chase? What is target chase? I don't know why that account didn't get filled though. It's weird. What is target chase though? Like, what does it do? If it touches your target, it'll move your order in the set number ticks to try to get it filled. If it touches your target, it'll move your order in the set number of ticks to try to get it filled. What does that mean? I mean, so say, okay, 45.75. That was my target. 45.75. Prices bounced at 45.75. What would it have done in that case? It would have moved up to like 75.25. Is that what it would have done? Oh, I don't really want it to move up though. I want to just stick with it. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with it, with what I have right now. All right, but that's 5 trades. Might just call it a day right there. Let's see. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stay streaming, but I'm only gonna trade the one account that didn't get filled. So this second account up here, I'm only gonna trade that right now, because I didn't take my 5 trades on that account, didn't get filled. But every other account I'm done with. So I'm gonna stay on. But for the other accounts, we're done. 10 contracts? Nah. Nah. Man, I wasn't paying attention, but honestly, this little failed breakout here is not a bad trade. Prices are pretty congested, but we're in this little mini range. Had to break out the top. Looks like we're headed down. Trade NQ? Nah. It's not for me. I'm an ES boy. I'm an ES man. Born and raised. Born and raised in the ES. Mr. Kevin going sicko mode. Yeah, so this is kind of expected. We have this conflicting belief. Are we going to go up and make a new high at 45.80, or are we going to come down and take out 74.50? That's why we're having this little sideways right now. So what are we going to do? What shall we do here? I'd like to see prices trade up, and then have a nice little failed breakout. You're buy? You trade both, man? Alright, how long is this congestion gonna last? This is giving me flashbacks to the last few days. Definitely giving me some flashbacks to the sideways we've been having. Alright, so here's that breakout. Here's that breakout. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Alright, maybe we're gonna take out 45.80. Will we do it? Will we do it? We're ticking off 45.80. There we go. Broke through it. Now is the next question. Where do we go now? So, I mean, maybe we just need to get rid of this little downtrend. Maybe we need to do that, but maybe not. We'll see. Next upside target is just this area, 82.25. Could just be in another range. Something like this. Honestly, that might be accurate. All right, let's see if we go up a few more points. Green looks good on me. I mean, green looks good on everyone when you're day trading. But I appreciate it, trader's chick. I want to see one more push up. Take out these highs. Then let's go back down. Then let's go back down. Let's see. Let's make that one more push up. $82.25. $82.25 is where I want to see prices go. You're colorblind, so your candles are white and white for up, brown for down. Hey, that's honestly an advantage. A little more bland colors, not as emotional. Like the red and the green definitely play on your emotions, 100%. Especially the P&L. So it might be a little blessing in disguise. All right, I'm looking for one more push up. Let's take out these stops. So definitely an area of resistance here. Taking out some stops. Took out this 82.25. Will we reverse here? Will we reverse here? Let's look at an overall picture as well. Let's get rid of all the drawings. What a beautiful chart. Look at this little mountain we got. What is this? What is this mess we got? But looking at a naked chart, this definitely does look like a potential range we're in. We also got to keep in mind this area up here might be a support level or resistance level. About 83.50. 83.50 is where we might be working up to and then might reverse down. Shoot, I just got rid of my chart. I just got rid of my chart, man. All right, we got to get the 2K tick chart back up. Now we got rid of all our drawings. Man. We got to redraw them. Time to redraw. All right, here we go. We recovered. We recovered. I really wanted to see a better signal bar here. We got a doji, but that's that failed breakout I was looking for. This is that failed breakout I wanted to take. Didn't get the great signal bar though. Why they gotta do that to us? Kind of like the pink background. Yeah, so that is the failed breakout we wanted to see. That is what we wanted to see. Why can't we get that? Come on now. Thistle background. Not bad. Got to change these grid lines though. All right, if we get a lower high here, I'm gonna go short. Had the failed breakout. Ideally, we would have gotten something better than a freaking doji bar. Let me change these grid lines up here. All right, let's get a lower high, baby. Oh, Momo means pink in Japanese? Okay. I didn't know that. Well, we got a thistle background now. I kind of like it, honestly. A little easier on the eyes. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think in the chat. Kind of blends in with the purple edges too. Where do I change the color of my orders, like my limit order or market order? Where do I change that? I want to change my I want to change the color of my stop market orders. All right, could be getting a lower high right here. Could be getting the lower high we're looking for. Looks nice, iced coffee. Okay, good. All right, good. All right, so we broke below the EMA, having a little push up. I'm still leaning towards us going back lower. 45.74.5 is my target. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get this lower high. Does anyone know how to change the color of this order right here? I forget where it is. All right, here it is. Is it? Nah. All right, after we get this nice lower high scalp, then I'll do it. Let's get it. Let's get it. If you guys are new in the chat, welcome in. Leave me a little comment if it's your first time watching. Man, we moved the order because we didn't get filled, and here it goes. Let's get filled at 45.80. Let's get filled. Let's get filled. That was the lower high. Man. Let's come back and fill us. Yeah, scalp made without us. Shit. Man, missed that trade. I wanted to take it, but my market order was one tick below where I wanted it to be. Mistake. That was a textbook setup right there. Yeah, it's only with the one account, that's true. But still, I wanted that. I wanted that. I really wanted that. That's why I always like to have a limit order up here, market order down here, so I don't have to deal with that. Such a low risk bar too. That was an excellent trade. Fortunately, we couldn't get filled. Got in, tried to get in, but it was a little too slow with it. But that's exactly what we look for. Got this range. Failed break out of the range. Doji bar. Wasn't pretty enough to take that trade up here. When we got the lower high, that's what I wanted to take, and now here's this move down without us. Man, why couldn't I get my hands quick enough? No one knows where to change the color of these. Okay, here it is. All right, stop market orders. We're gonna change it. Let's see what we're gonna change it to. Magenta. Purple. Yeah, I'm gonna just stick it with a purple. Actually, I kind of want something else. Stop market orders. Let's just make it blue. Let's just make it a different blue. Give us a little positive psychology, not dark. Nah, blue ain't it. I'm gonna go with a purple. Calm color. That looks fine. Man, look at this move. 45.80, exactly where we thought it would go. 45.74, 50. One more tick will break through a lot of stops. Green ain't a bad idea either. I do like purple though. Man, I'm freaking pissed about that. This makes me more angry than a losing trade. Because a losing trade, as long as my head was in the right place and I stuck to my rules, stuck to my guns, I'm okay with. But this one, there's no excuse for missing that trade. Alright, what are we going to do now? Got some room to the overnight lows. Got room to the close of yesterday. At the same time, we're just in this range. It's our third confirmation at this level. We broke below this area, took out some stops. Let's see how we react. I'm gonna stay out. Very, very low risk bar, but honestly, those bars that are very, very tiny, a lot of the time they don't work out. Yeah. All right, here's that push down. Uh-oh. Okay. Man, what is going on? What is happening? All right, we're in and out. In and out for a quick scalp. All right, I'm gonna go long again. So we got filled a little bit early. Let's see if we can get a push up here. Got a lot of room to the EMA. Failed breakout of this range. All right, we're in and out. All right, we made some money there. All right, all right. Now what are we going to do? Yeah, instantly filled. All right, CE, if you're heading out, have a good one. Yeah, definitely a good day. A lot of volatility, a lot of volume. Compared to what we've been having, this is what we like to see. This is what we like to see, baby. We got room. Let's draw our trusty little range again. Another potential long setup here. But we do have some room until the overnight lows. J Void, yes sir. Mr. Max, man, we're not close at all to a payout. We're still in the red on these accounts. We're still in the red. We had a few rough days to start out. We're still like $500 in the red. But we're working up. We're chipping away. We're chipping away. Mr. J Void. Let's call it a day right there. Why don't we? Took our 5 trades for the day. I'ma be done. I'm stepping out. CE, you're leaving a runner to the downside or to the upside? Either way, good luck. If you guys want to trade multiple accounts, my Replicanto code is in the description, Mumu20. Apex got 50% off now. And good luck to that upside trade, Mr. CE. Hopefully it goes all the way back up to 45.80. I think it'll at least go up to about 45.75. We'll see, but have a good one, guys. We'll be back tomorrow. Peace out.